Hey guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube channel video. I have some shorts and you guys have been doing great and engaging with them, so that's awesome. Yeah, I just came back from the water today and she was a little wavy, and my chest piece that has my phone on it, right? The one you guys seen in one of my shorts, wasn't doing too well today. Like the waves were just flopping it up and down everywhere and I couldn't really do anything about that. Just wanted to tell you guys that. But then after, I did get some footage of me largemouth fishing when there was no waves, and yeah, you'll be seeing that in about a minute from now. And yeah, I think I caught around 4 today, right, just after I came back. And what I was using today is the best thing out there right here, just a normal weightless Texas rig, size 2 hook right here. Perfect. Yeah, they were slamming them all day, and the water was a little dirty, and that's why this black Senko is just amazing. Black and a little bit of blue flakes, and it's good in dirty water, clear water, and everything. And I was retrieving it a little fast today, just because there was a little bit of chop, and yeah, that's about it. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna do another video on these and how to actually rig a Texas rig effectively, and with bullet weights and what kind of depths you need and how heavy weights. So yeah, that'll be up shortly. And yeah, so now you guys will be seeing a couple of my fish. Thanks. Right there. Yep. Smallie. Oh no, largemouth. Right there. Yep. Oh, there we go. Alright. Beautiful. There she is. Yeah, and if you guys made it this far, please like and subscribe. I was super pumped. I got my 8th subscriber yesterday. I know it's not much, but hey, it's definitely an improvement. Yeah, so any little thing helps, a comment or anything, I really appreciate it. And let me know what you guys want to see next. And if there's any other suggestions about like maybe a GoPro mount that comes across the chest, I just want to know really what you guys use. See if there's anything better, because today when I was on that boat, I got around two or three smallies, and there was no way that I could record it. The waves were just taking everything. My phone was shaking, and yeah. So just let me know what you guys use. Thank you.